session we are going to solve exercise 3.2. In that, first question is find the Cartesian coordinates of the point whose polar coordinates are. Okay, Cartesian coordinates we have to find out. Here polar coordinates are given. We know that the polar coordinates of any point. Let me consider the point P. Let P be the point in xy plane having Cartesian coordinates x and y, coordinates x, y, and polar coordinates r, theta. Therefore, here we have r is equal to √2 and theta is equal to pi/4. Okay. Therefore, we know the relation between Cartesian coordinates and polar coordinates are that x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Therefore, x is equal to, here we substitute the values of r and theta, that is √2 cos of theta is pi/4, and here y is equal to √2 sin of pi/4, that is equal to x is equal to √2. We know that cos of pi/4, that is 1 upon √2. Here we write 1 upon √2, and y is equal to √2, that sin pi/4 is also 1 upon √2. That √2 get cancelled. Here also √2 get cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Therefore, 1, 1 be the Cartesian coordinate of given point P. Given point P. Similarly, we solve the second example, that 4, pi/2. Here also these are the polar coordinates given. Let me again consider P be the any point in xy plane having Cartesian coordinates x, y, and polar coordinates r, theta. Here polar coordinates are given. Therefore, here we write r is equal to 4 and theta is equal to pi/2. As we know the relation between polar coordinate and Cartesian coordinate, here we write x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Therefore, x is equal to, value of r is given here 4 and cos of theta is given pi/2. Here we substitute these values. Therefore, y is equal to, here also r is 4 and sin of the value of theta is pi/2. Therefore, x is equal to, that 4 is as it is, into cos of pi/2, that cos of pi/2 is 0, and y is equal to 4 into, that sin of pi/2 is 1. Therefore, here we get x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. Therefore, the Cartesian coordinates of P r 0, 4. Okay. The next example is similar, that we have a question: find the Cartesian coordinate of given point, that 3/4, 3 pi by 4. Here also polar coordinates are given. Here we consider, let P be the any point in xy plane having Cartesian coordinates x, y and polar coordinates r, theta. Here given polar coordinate 3/4 and 3 pi by 4, that is r is equal to 3/4 and theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. As we know, the relation between polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinate is x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Here we substitute the values of r and theta. We get x is equal to, that r is 3/4 and cos of theta is 3 pi by 4, and y is equal to, here also 3/4 sin of 3 pi by 4. Therefore, x is equal to this 3 pi by 4 as it is, that we obtain the value of cos of 3 pi by 4 using allied angle formula, that is cos of that 3 pi by 4 means pi minus pi by 4. Here also we substitute that y is equal to 3 pi by 4, that sin of 3 pi by 4 means pi minus pi by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 3/4 cos of, we know that cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Therefore, here we write minus of cos of pi by 4. And y is equal to 3/4, that we know that sin of pi minus theta is sin theta. Therefore, here we write sin of pi by 4. Therefore, here we get x is equal to 3/4 into minus of cos pi by 4 is 1/√2. And here y is equal to 3/4 into sin of pi by 4 is 1/√2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 divided by 4√2 and y is equal to 3 divided by 4√2. Therefore, the Cartesian coordinates of point P are that minus 3/4√2, 3 divided by 4√2. Similarly, we have to solve the next example. Here also the polar coordinates are given and we have to find out the Cartesian coordinate, that 1/2, 7 pi by 4. Let again here we consider that point P. Let point P be any point in xy plane, okay, having Cartesian coordinates x, y and polar coordinates r, theta. Okay, that is, here we have given the value of r is 1/2 and theta is equal to 7 pi by 3. Okay, therefore we know the relation between Cartesian coordinate and polar coordinate is x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Here we substitute the value of r and theta. We get x is equal to 1 upon 2 cos of 7 pi by 3 and y is equal to r, that the value of r is 1 upon 2 sin of 7 pi by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 2. Here also we use the allied angle formula, that cos of 7 pi by 3, that is cos of 2 pi plus pi by 3. And here also y is equal to 1 upon 2 sin of 7 pi by 3, that is 2 pi plus pi by 3. Okay, therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2. We know that cos of 2 pi plus theta is cos theta. Therefore here we write cos of pi by 3. And y is equal to 1 upon 2 sin of 2 pi plus theta is sin theta. Therefore here we write sin of pi by 3. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2. The value of cos of pi by 3 is 1 upon 2. Okay, and y is equal to 1 upon 2. We know the value of sin of pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2. Therefore here we write root 3 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 4 and y is equal to root 3 divided by 4. Therefore the Cartesian coordinates of given point are 1 upon 4 comma root 3 by 4. Here we solve the question number 1, that given Cartesian polar coordinates and we have to convert it into the Cartesian coordinate. Now we are going to solve the question number 2, that is find the polar coordinates of the points whose Cartesian coordinates are. Here Cartesian coordinates are given and we have to find its polar coordinate. Okay, here also we consider let P be the point in xy plane whose Cartesian coordinates are x comma y. Therefore here we get x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to root 2 and its polar coordinates are r comma theta. Now we have to find the value of r and theta. As we know the relation between the polar coordinate and Cartesian coordinate is, that is r square is equal to x square plus y square and tan of theta is equal to y upon x. Therefore we substitute the values of y and x. Here we get r square is equal to, that is root 2 bracket square plus root 2 bracket square, that is r square is equal to 2 plus 2, that is r square is equal to 4. Therefore r is equal to, here we get 2. As r is the radius or distance between 2 points, we take only positive value. Okay, then that tan theta is equal to, that y is root 2 and x is also root 2. That root 2 get cancelled. Here we get tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore that, as we know that tan of pi by 4 is 1, here we substitute instead of 1, that is tan of pi by 4. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 4. Therefore the polar coordinates of given point of given point r 2, pi by 4. Now we solve the next example, that is 0, 1/2. As the x coordinate of the point is 0, this point lies on the y-axis. Okay, first we consider that let P be the any point in xy plane whose Cartesian coordinates are x, y. That is, here given that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1/2. This is given. Okay, and its polar coordinates are that r, theta. As the given point has x coordinate 0, therefore this point is on the y-axis, and that its y coordinate is positive, therefore this point lies on the positive y-axis. Therefore the given point lies on positive y-axis, and positive y-axis makes the angle 90 degree with the positive x-axis. Therefore here angle of rotation is of 90 degree or pi by 2. Therefore here we write directly that theta is equal to 90 degree, or this is pi by 2. And we solve for only r, that we know the relation between Cartesian coordinate and polar coordinate, that is r square is equal to x square plus y square. Therefore r square is equal to that 0 square plus 1/2 square is equal to 0 plus 1/4 is equal to 1/4. Therefore r is equal to 1/2. Therefore the polar coordinates of given point are, that is 1/2, pi by 2. Now we have to solve one more example, that is 1, minus root 3. Here also we consider let P be the any point in xy plane whose Cartesian coordinates are x, y, and polar coordinates are r, theta. Here we have given the Cartesian coordinate 1, minus root 3. That is, here we have given the value of x is 1 and the value of y is minus root 3. Therefore by using the relationship between Cartesian coordinate and polar coordinate, we have r square is equal to x square plus y square, and tan theta is equal to y/x. Therefore r square is equal to 1 square plus minus root 3 square. That is, r square is equal to 1 plus 3, that is r square is equal to 4. Therefore r is equal to 2. And tan theta is equal to that the value of y is minus root 3 and value of x is 1. Therefore, here we get tan theta is equal to minus of root 3. Therefore, here we write tan theta is equal to minus of, as we know that root 3, that root 3 is tan of pi by 3. That tan of pi by 3 is root 3. Therefore, we substitute here directly instead of root 3 tan of pi by 3. Now that is tan theta is equal to, by allied angle formula, tan pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Therefore, here we substitute instead of minus tan pi by 3 is tan of pi minus pi by 3. Therefore, that is tan theta is equal to tan of 2 pi by 3. Okay. Therefore, here we write theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore, here we get the polar coordinates of given point R, that is 2, 2 pi by 3. Next example is, that is 3 by 2, 3 root 3 upon 2. Let again here we consider the point P be the any point in xy plane, okay, whose Cartesian coordinates are x, y, and polar coordinates are r, theta. Here we have to find the values of r and theta, and we have given the value of x and y. Therefore, here we write x is equal to 3 upon 2 and y is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 2. We use the relation between polar coordinate and Cartesian coordinate, that is, here we have that r square is equal to x square plus y square and tan theta is equal to y upon x. Therefore, r square is equal to x square, that is 3 upon 2 bracket square, plus y square, that is 3 root 3 divided by 2 bracket square. Therefore, r square is equal to 9 upon 4 plus that 3 square is 9, 9 into 3, that is 27 divided by 4. Therefore, here we get r square is equal to that both the denominators are same. We can add the numerators directly, that is 9 plus 27, that is 36 divided by 4. That 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. Therefore, r square is equal to 9. Therefore, here we get r is equal to 3. Now that tan theta is equal to y, that is 3 root 3 divided by 2, and the value of x, that is 3 divided by 2. Both the numerator denominator and denominator's denominator both the cancel, and the numerator's numerator have the value term 3, and denominator's numerator have the value 3 get cancelled. Here remaining only that root 3, and we know that is that tan of pi by 3 is root 3. Therefore, here we write directly that instead of root 3 is tan of pi by 3. Therefore, here we get theta is equal to pi by 3. Okay. Therefore, the polar coordinates polar coordinates of given point are 3, pi by 3. Okay, in this session we have solved this examples on polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinates. Thank you.